me show you a trick about this jacket. So I don't know if you can tell. They're a little on the short side, and so I feel like it's kind of awkward to wear short, you know, overly short sleeves that aren't short sleeves. So here's what I do. Ready? You ready for it?
I'm ready.
And now they're up.
Okay, here's what I want to know though. Do you do that actual move at home, or do you kind of just go like that?
No.
Like you're getting ready, you go.
It's probably not as aggressive. It's probably
that
just
was,
like,
that was pretty aggressive.
well, it was pretty aggressive, but it was for TV.
It's kind of like a dance move. I'm so impressed. That's a good, like,
yeah.
And it just gives you just the right
Just enough.
push-up. Because sometimes when you push them up on your own, they get weird this way.
Yeah.
And if you're out and you need to do it again, that wouldn't work.
That would work.
You're in the store.
Along with my hair toss. It'll look real good. Oh, my hair. Yeah, I can't wait to do that again in the grocery store. Anyway, okay.
I have a great idea that we should do for a segment. Do-it-yourself cuffs. Because you can have, so I'm sure that you're not the only person on the planet who has this problem.
Oh, I see.
And so it's just a sleeve cuff that you add underneath.
Oh, that's a great idea.
And they're super easy to make.
Yeah.
They're, so.
Awesome. Good DIY.